Hey guys, so now we've traveled to Za Pizzeria. So this is their menu. Let's see if you can see. Some of the salads.
Did you put the name on it?
There's some of the options that they have. I'll insert the location, but we'll see how it tastes first. And then I'll give you my opinion if it's a yay or a nay. But I'll get back to you guys. So this is my mozzarella sticks. I don't know what they taste like. That's our, like a mama, of course. Say hey, mom. You're not gonna say hey? Oh Lord Jesus. What kind of salad do you have?
Julianne.
A Julianne special.
Julianne.
And then everything is vegan here, of course. So let's taste.
Hair looking all bad.
It's delicious, y'all. Can't double dip, we gotta flip it around.
Where you
So far so good. So guys, the pizza finally came out. This is how it looks. It took about 45 minutes to an hour. We've been bumping our gums. I have some vegan ranch that I'm gonna try with it. So you know I need to spin the camera back around so you can see me. So we'll see you guys. Okay guys, let's give it a try. So this is the pizza. You can see that. No, I'm ready. Oh, stuff falling. Pretty good. Not quite as expected. Deep dish might taste a little bit better, but this is pretty good.
How's your pizza? I am not a vegan. But I'm gonna try this.
I'm not 100% fan. The other principles better. But this is pretty good. Hey guys, so we are at Red Robin. I'm going to figure out what I'm doing. And I'll get back to it. Hey guys, so I ended up ordering a vegan burger. And then I ended up adding the guacamole, lettuce, onion, tomato. He actually brought it out as an unwich, but I kind of wanted the bread. The bread is vegan, y'all. They have regular bread too that's vegan, so it's all good to go. That's pretty much it. And I just added me some barbecue sauce because I love barbecue sauce and everything. But that's it. Go ahead and smash. Hey friends, how are you doing? So today, decided to eat some of the Beyond Meat sausages, which are delicious. Absolutely love them. We have the Italian hot. Let me get an actual package from the freezer. But this is how they look. And the onion sauteing over here. These are really good, really, really good. So hopefully you have them at your local store. We have the original broth. Last year around this time, well, maybe not around this time, but last year they just kept flying off the shelves. They just could not keep up. And then eventually they just stopped distributing them. So now they're back. But these are the ones that I have. Yep. So that's for tonight's dinner. I just thought I gave you guys a little bonus from the pizza earlier in the video. But yep. And then I have my fries in the air fryer. These were some of them. I never used it before, but they are quite tasty. Crunch. We didn't use any oil. Just used the natural oil from when they fried them, which is not natural, but you get my drift. So it's gonna like some real sausages. Okay, so that got a broad with my onions. Ooh, look delicious, huh? Mmm. I'm in raw form today. See, it looks like actual broth. Delicious. So y'all should try these out. Perfect for putting them on the grill. I've tried it. Delicious. See you guys on the next one.